कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा हरे राम कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे राम हरे राम।
Is the shloka fine?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay, now how is, let us set the audio. Audio is good.
Yes, Prabhuji, yes.
Let me check.
Yes, it's good.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Chalo. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। हो गया।
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
Namo Namaskritya.
नारायणं नमस्कृत्य
Naram Chaiva Narottamam.
नरं चैव नरोत्तमं
Devim Sarasatim Vyasam.
देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं
Jayamudhiraye.
ततो जयमुदीरये।
Pramesha Bhadreshu.
नष्टप्रायेषु भद्रेषु
Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya.
नित्यं भागवत सेवया
Bhagavati Uttama Shloke.
भगवति श्लोके
Tena Bhavati Naishtiki.
भक्ते भवति नैष्ठिकी।
Mana eva manushasya.
ममैव मनुष्यस्य
Rupani shamsati.
पूर्वरूपाणि शंसति
Bhavishyatah cha bhadram te.
भविष्यतः च भद्रं ते
Cha bhadram te.
भविष्यतश्च भद्रं ते
Evana bhavishyatah.
तथैव न भविष्यति
Manushasya.
मनेव मनुष्यस्य
Rupani shamsati.
पूर्वरूपाणि शंसति
Bhavishyatah cha bhadram te.
भविष्यतः च भद्रं ते
Bhavishyatah cha bhadram te.
भविष्यतश्च भद्रं ते
Bhavishyatah.
तथैव न भविष्यति
Manushasya Purvarupani Shamsati
पूर्वरूपाणि शंसति
Bhavishyatah cha bhadram te
भविष्यतः च भद्रं ते
Naivana bhavishyatah
तथैव न भविष्यतः
Mana eva manushasya
मनैव मनुष्यस्य
Purvarupani Samshati
पूर्वरूपाणि शंसति
Bhavishyatah cha bhadram te
भविष्यतः च भद्रं ते
Bhavishyatah
तथैव न भविष्यतः
eva manushasya
मनैव मनुष्यस्य
रूपाणि संशंसति
पूर्वरूपाणि शंसति
भद्रं ते
भविष्यतः च भद्रं ते
न भविष्यतः
तथैव न भविष्यतः
मन एव मनुष्यस्य
मनैव मनुष्यस्य
रूपाणि शंसति
पूर्वरूपाणि शंसति
भविष्यतः च भद्रं ते
भविष्यतः च भद्रं ते
भविष्यतः
तथैव न भविष्यतः।
भविष्यतः।
भविष्यतश्च भद्रं ते तथैव न पूर्वरूपाणि संसति भविष्यतश्च भद्रं ते तथैव न भविष्यतः।
Chalo, online, anybody wants to chant?
Hare Krishna Prabhu
Hare
ji,
Krishna
Dhamma
Prabhuji.
Pranam.
मन एव मनुष्यस्य पूर्वरूपाणि शंसति भविष्यतश्च भद्रं ते तथैव न भविष्यतः। हरे कृष्ण।
Hare Krishna Prabhu ji. Mana eva
मन एव
manushya
मनुष्यस्य पूर्वरूपाणि संसति
Sati Bhavishyata Bhadram Tatheva na Bhavishyatah.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी मन एव
मनुष्यस्य पूर्वरूपाणि संसति भविष्यतश्च भद्रं ते तथैव न भविष्यतः।
Hare
Hare
Krishna
Krishna Prabhu ji. Mana eva manushya purva rupani samshati bhavishyataschа bhadram te tataiva na bhavishyatah. Hare Krishna Prabhu ji.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी मन एव मनुष्यस्य पूर्वरूपाणि संसति भविष्यस्य भद्रं ते तथैव न भविष्यतः
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी मन एव मनुष्यस्य पूर्वरूपाणि शंसति भविष्यतश्च भद्रं ते तथैव न भविष्यतः। हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी।
प्रभु जी मन एव मनुष्यस्य पूर्वरूपाणि संसति भविष्यतिश्च भद्रं ते तथैव न भविष्यतः। Thank you, Prabhuji.
Thank you, thank you. Let us continue. Manaha, the mind. Eva, certainly. Manushasya, of a man. Purva, past. Rupani, forms. Samshati, indicates. Bhavishyataha, one will take birth. Cha, also. Bhadram, good fortune. Te, unto you. Tata, thus. Eva, certainly. Na, not. Bhavishyataha, one who will take birth. O king, all good fortune unto you. The mind is the cause of the living entities attaining a certain type of body in accordance with association in the material nature. According to one's mental composition, one can understand what the living entity was in his past life, as well as what kind of body he will have in the future. Thus, the mind indicates past and future bodies.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhakti Vedanta Swami Prabhupada ki jai. The mind is the index of information about one's past and future lives. If a man is a devotee of the Lord, he cultivated devotional service in his previous life. Similarly, if one's mind is criminal, he was criminal in his last life. In the same way, according to the mind, we can understand what will happen in a future life. In Bhagavad Gita 14.18, it is said, ऊर्ध्वं गच्छन्ति सत्त्वस्था मध्ये तिष्ठन्ति राजसः जगन्ये गुणवृत्तिस्था अधो गच्छन्ति तामसः. Those situated in the mode of goodness gradually go upward to the higher planets. Those in the mode of passion live on the earthly planets, and those in the mode of ignorance go down to the hellish world.
Continue.
If he has a lower mentality, his future life will be most abominable. The lives of the living entity in both the past and the future are indicated by the mental condition. Narada Muni is herein offering the king blessings of all good fortune, so that the king will not desire anything or make plans for sense gratification. The king was engaged in fruitive, ritualistic ceremonies because he hoped to get a better life in the future. Narada Muni desired him to give up all mental concoctions. As explained before, all bodies in heavenly planets and hellish planets arise from Mental concoctions and the sufferings and enjoyments of material life are simply on the mental platform. They take place on the chariot of the mind, Manoratha. It is therefore said, Yasyasti bhaktir bhagavati akinchana sarvair gunaih sapta samasate suraha harau habhakstasya kuto mahadguno manaratena sati dhavato bahihi. One who has unflinching devotion for the personality of Godhead has all the good qualities of the demigods, but one who is not a devotee of the Lord has only material qualifications that are of little value. This is because he is hovering on the mental plane and is certain to be attracted by the glaring material energy. Srimad Bhagavatam 5.18.12. Unless one becomes a devotee of the Lord or becomes fully Krishna conscious, he will certainly hover on the mental platform and be promoted and degraded in different types of bodies. All qualities that are considered good according to the material estimation actually have no value because these so-called good qualities will not save a person from the cycle of birth and death. The conclusion is that one should be without mental desire. Anyabhilashita shunyam gnana karmadi anavratam. One should be fully free from material desires, philosophical speculation, and fruitive activity. The best course for a human being is to favorably accept the transcendental devotional service of the Lord. That is the highest perfection of human life. Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Om Jnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishnaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swaminiti Namine. Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvisheshaya Shunyavadi Pashat Deshatarine. Jayo Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasati Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Mana eva manushasya
मनैव मनुष्यस्य
Gurupani Shamsati
पूर्वरूपाणि
सर्वरूपाणि
संसति
Vishyatah cha bhadram te
भविष्यतः च भद्रं ते
भद्रन्ते
Vishyatah.
तथैव न
एव न
भविष्यतः
भविष्यतः।
All good fortune unto you. The mind is the cause of the living entity attaining a certain type of body in accordance with the association of mental nature. According to one's mental composition, one can understand what the living entity was in his past life as well as what kind of body he will have in the future. Thus, the mind indicates the past and future bodies. Hare Krishna, everybody.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
So you can see the Aarti also.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare
Yes, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare
Dandavat
Krishna,
pranam.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandavat pranam.
Hare Krishna Prabhu.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandavat pranam.
Krishna Prabhuji. Pranam Prabhuji.
Let us start now. Take it.
Krishna Prabhuji. Dandavat pranam.
So now the meditation is on how we can understand who is the devotee. All of us are going to fail. Not all, most of us. Some of wonderful devotees will pass. Now it is said here that the devotee has all the good qualities automatically. We know various examples of this in the Shastra. We know various examples of this. In the Bhagavad Gita also, we know when Arjuna decided, it says, Krishna, how can I kill these people? So Prabhupada says he was compassionate already to his own army. He doesn't want them to be there. But such a great soul as Arjuna was even compassionate to the enemy. Now this is not possible for us. We want enemy to be harmed. कुछ नहीं, खत्म हो जाए उसका, चटनी बन जाए उसका, है ना? ऐसा मारेंगे कि बिल्कुल खत्म हो जाए. That's how we feel. So, but he is compassionate even to the other side. His voice is choked up. His Gandiva is slipping from the hand. His mind is reeling. Tears are coming out of his eyes. Secret symptoms. And Prabhupada says in the purport, such a soft-hearted devotee of the Lord. It's not that Arjuna was coward. No, he's not coward. He has fought many wars. But he is so soft-hearted by seeing the imminent suffering of the people if the war happens. So Prabhupada says, because he is a great devotee, look at him. Look at him, such a great devotee. Now these qualities manifested in Arjuna because he is a devotee. We talk about 26 qualities of a devotee. So there are always two sides of the coin. Some people emphasize on the fact that we do devotion service, automatically qualities will come. But at the same time, we have to also see that these qualities are manifesting. Just like you're taking medicine. One side, okay, I'm happy, I'm taking medicine, I'll become okay. That's good. That's a very good attitude. At the same time, if we see, if you're very confident that you're not breaking any rules, everything is perfect, you'll get well. No need to bother too much. But at the same time, we are in the middle world. We may be making a mistake in taking the medicine. Medicine is perfect. Doctor is Krishna, perfect. Holy name is given perfect. And other rules and regulations given as Srila Prabhupada, perfect. So automatically, if I follow all this, I'll go back to Godhead. That's very nice. At the same time, I should see whether I am making spiritual progress. Urdhvam gachanti, who knows the shloka?
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Urdhvam gachanti satyastha madhya tishtati rajasa. Last bhul gaya.
Yes, who will complain?
जगन्यतन रुत्तिस्थ मध्ये तिष्ठन्ति राजसा.
तामसः.
So anybody can chant the full shloka now?
हरे कृष्ण प्रभुजी. ऊर्ध्वं गच्छन्ति सत्त्वस्ता मध्ये तिष्ठानि राजसः जघन्या गुणवृत्तिस्ता अधो गच्छन्ति तामसः. हरे कृष्ण प्रभुजी.
Very nice, wonderful. Okay? So by this we have to be conscious. Okay, I'm taking the process of Krishna consciousness. That's very wonderful. But where I'm going now? We don't take it for granted. Something magical happened at the time of death. Where I'm now. Okay? So we can always check actually. It's not Pashanapi na pashyati. We should always. So there are two sides of the coin. One side we chant Hare Krishna, other side we keep the senses away from sense object. Both are needed. Both are needed. Okay? So now, so this is an example of Arjuna we took. Yes, we should. Another great example, Bhagavatam is full of great examples. So many great examples. Just like Prahlad Maharaj is being, father wants to kill him. We see Vitaraga Bhaya Krodha, correct? Great devotee free from anger. He showed freedom from anger. He was not cursing his father. He was free from anger. We were discussing a few days ago how person is more secure, he is more he will show great character. Prahlad Maharaj is totally secure at the lotus feet of Krishna, and he's showing such a great character. Even Prabhupada talks about even Jesus Christ, he's being crucified, he's not angry. Kya kar rahe ho bhai tum log? He's not saying that. So peacefully. He's praying to the Lord, forgive them. They don't know what they are doing. Okay. We have so many great examples of devotees showing complete freedom from attachment, fear, anger. Vitaraga Bhaya Krodha. Who knows this shloka?
वीतरागभयक्रोधः मन्मना wait a minute. वीतरागभयक्रोधः मन्मया मामुपाश्रिता बहवो ज्ञानतपसा भूता मद्भावमागता.
Okay. Vita means to be free from. Raga, Bhaya, Krodha. These are the symptoms of a devotee. What the devotee means? Free from attachment, free from fear. So he doesn't have any silly attachment in this world. And his freedom from fear and freedom from anger. When you see somebody like that, actually, if you want to advance spiritually, you get attracted to such a person. Look at this man. He has no attachment, he has no fear, he has no anger. है ना? अट्रैक्टिव लगता है ना बात? क्या आदमी है यार, इनमें तीन चीज तो है ही नहीं. Weak raga bhaya krodha manamaya mamupashyata, completely taken shelter of Krishna. And how Krishna says, don't worry. Bahavo, many people have done in the past, jnana tapasa, by cultivating knowledge and by doing tapasya, cultivating knowledge and doing tapasya, bhuta, they are fully purified. So, jnana tapasa, cultivate knowledge, tapa, do tapasya. Do these two things. What happens? Puta, you become fully purified, madbhava magataha, and we achieve Krishna consciousness. That means we are a devotee. So devotee means he is, how do you test? He is free from attachment, fear and anger. He has become a devotee. That is one way to see. There is another way to see, beautiful. Okay, so you see the Parikshit Maharaj, when he is cursed, he was also free from attachment to his kingdom. He left his kingdom. He showed the example. He had no fear of death. He was very peaceful. Imagine किसी को बोलो शाम को सांप मारेगा तुम, वो तो हाथ पैर कांपने लगेंगे उसके. Very peaceful. क्रोध, no anger. वो बच्चा समझता है क्या, मैं दिखाता हूँ उसको. He was free from that. Vitaraga bhaya krodha manamaya mamupashita. You could see that these three symptoms are visible in his personality. Even we see another example of Ambarish Maharaj. दुर्वासा मुनि भी उसको एक बड़ा दानव बना के उसके ऊपर अटैक कर दिया. क्या हुआ? अटैचमेंट दिखा उसको. अरे बाबा, राज जाएगा, गद्दी जाने वाला है, मरेगा भी नहीं. कोई डर था उसको? नहीं. He just folded to Krishna. See, he's secure at the Krishna's lotus feet. He has faith. Krishna will protect. अवश्य रक्षिबे कृष्णा. ये faith होता है. हम क्या कहते हैं, गड़बड़ करते हैं, फिर पता है भगवान को तो मालूम है शायद प्रोटेक्शन नहीं मिलेगा कुछ, इसलिए वी आर इन टेंशन, है ना. वी कैन नॉट फॉलो प्रॉपरली एंड देन वी आर इन टेंशन. मरे अब तो. राग भया, नो फियर एंड नो एंगर. क्या समझता है तू अपने आप को? आर्मी, चलो सुदर्शन आपको रखा है, मेरे को मालूम है, मारो जरा इसको. He did not request Sudarshan to kill him. It arose on its own accord. So we can see Vita Raga Bhaya Krodha there in the personality of Ambarish Maharaj. So we can test actually. Okay. There is one more beautiful shloka which I want to bring now today. Shotavyadini Rajendra. Yes, who knows the shloka? Second canto.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभुजी. श्रोतव्यादीनि राजेन्द्र ऋणं सन्ति सहस्रशः अपश्यतामात्मतत्त्वं गृहेषु गृहमेदिनाम्.
Beautiful. Come on. Mataji has become a scholar now. Huh? There is a sequence of these 5-6 shlokas. Do you know that? Second canto, when Shukadeva Goswami begins, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. And then he says this shloka. Okay. Can you sing the shlokas, 3-4 shlokas together, Mataji?
Guji, Tasmad Bharata Sarvatma, is it that one? Tasmad Bharata Sarvatma, Bhagavan Ishvaro Harihi, Smartavya, Sitatabhaya.
That is the conclusion. There are 5-6 shlokas in continuity. Who knows? Anybody can locate, sing. Second canto, first chapter, great speaker of Bhagavatam, opens his mouth only in the second canto. First canto he is not there, he is silent. Yes, anybody can chant the series of shlokas?
Prabhuji, next shall I recite Prabhuji 2.1.13? Nidraya hride
2.1.1 उधर से शुरू करो.
1.
Hare
हरे
Krishna.
कृष्ण प्रभुजी
Yeah, chant.
शुक उवाच वर्यानीशति प्रश्न कृतो लोकहितं नृप आत्मवित् सम्मतः पुंसां श्रोतव्यादिषु यः परः. First,
Continue.
श्रोतव्यादीनि राजेन्द्र निरांसन्ति सहस्रशः अपयश्तामात्मत्वं ग्रहेषु गृहमेधिनाम् निद्रया ह्रियते नक्तं व्यव्यायेन च वायवयः दिवाचार्थे हया राजन् कुटुम्बभरणेन वा दिस्वात्मस्यन्येष्व सत्स्वपि तेषां प्रमत्तो निधनं पश्यन्नपि न पश्यति. तस्मात् भारत सर्वात्मा भगवान् ईश्वरो हरिः श्रोतव्यः कीर्तितव्यः स्मर्तव्यश्चेच्छताभयम्.
Okay, thank you, Mataji, thank you. Anybody else can do with better pronunciation?
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Text 1. Shri Shuka Uvacha Variyaneshate Prashnaha Kruto Loko Hitam Rupa Atmavit Sammatah Pumsam Shrota Vyadhishu Yah Paraha Shrotra Vyadini Rajendra Nunam Santi Sahasrashah Apashyatam Atmatattvam Griheshu Gruhamedinam Nidraya hriyate naktam vyavayena cha vayavayah divacharte haya rajan kutumba varanena va dehapatya kaladrishu atmasayanyeshva asatsvapi tesham pramatto nidhanam pashyan api na pashyati tasmad bharata sarvatma bhagavan ishvaro harihi श्रोतव्य कीर्तितव्यश्च स्मर्तव्यश्चेच्छ bhatabhyam.
Thank you, thank you. Everybody cram this because within this the whole Krishna consciousness is there. Okay, the first thing he begins, the invocation you all missed was Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. So Shukdev Goswami first offers praise to Krishna. Take shelter of Krishna. It's a great achievement. Okay, and then he says, Variyameshate Prashnaha. Oh Parikshit Maharaj, what questions you have asked. Beautiful, beautiful. Because Parikshit Maharaj was asking all the sages, what is my duty? I am about to die. Should I think about Krishna? What should I do? So Parikshit Maharaj, Shukdev Goswami said, Maja aa gaya. Kya prashna pucha? Okay? So, first thing is that our attention should be focused on Krishna and we should have some questions about Krishna. Then we are a great person. Variyam. Maja aa gaya. Variyam eshate prashna. This is the first qualification we should have. What question is predominating in my mind? What am I thinking all the time? Am I thinking about Krishna? If I am thinking about Krishna, then questions will be about Krishna. If I am thinking about cricket match, then the questions is about cricket. Kaun jeeta? है ना? I was telling you the joke. एक टेम्पल में हम लोग खड़े थे, बहुत भीड़ थी, इतनी भीड़ थी कि अंदर घुसने की जगह नहीं थी। हम भी खड़े थे क्यों में दर्शन के लिए। सडनली पुजारी बाहर निकला, किधर जा रहा है? अरे भागा, इधर भागा, उधर भागा, फिर 2 फीट ऊपर नहीं 4 फीट ऊपर क्लाइम किया। वहाँ एक कंप्यूटर का सेंटर था, सब पब्लिक की नज़र उस पर थी और कंप्यूटर सेंटर में जो आदमी था उससे पूछा स्कोर क्या है? आप देखो हम लोग सब भगवान के दर्शन के लिए खड़े और पुजारी जो पूजा कर रहा है उसका मन है क्रिकेट का स्कोर क्या है, किधर उसका मन है, सोच लो। सो वरियामेशते प्रश्न। अभी डिवोटी नहीं बने। डिवोटी मीन्स उसका मन में देर इज ओनली वन प्रश्न, कृष्ण। हाउ डू आई सर्व कृष्ण, हाउ डू आई सर्व कृष्ण, हाउ डू आई सर्व कृष्ण। उसके मन में ये क्वेश्चन है, वरियामेशते प्रश्न। जस्ट लाइक परीक्षित महाराज, मेरे को क्या करना है, हाउ डू आई सर्व कृष्ण, क्या मेरा ड्यूटी है अभी तो मरने वाला है मैं, ठीक है। सो दैट इज अ ब्यूटिफुल क्वालिफिकेशन। वरियाम कृतलोक हितम नृपहा। So such a question is good for everybody, is beneficial for everybody. Person is asking, person is hearing, and third person जो वहां पे खड़ा है ना, सबके लिए फायदेमंद है। क्या चीज? ऐसा प्रश्न। सो हमारा मन पहले ऐसा नहीं है। पहले भक्त बनना है तो पहले मजाक बंद करो, पहले ये क्वालिफिकेशन आने के। पूरे दिन मन में कृष्ण से दिन भगवद गीता वर्ड मना मना, है ना, कृष्ण का ऑर्डर है। लेकिन आपकी ऐसी हिम्मत है, आप उसको डिसोबे कर देते हो, ऐसी ही आपका घमंड है। आई डोंट केयर। अरे बाबा ऑर्डर दे दिया ना कृष्ण ने, मन मना, कृष्ण ने ऑर्डर दे दिया, हम सोच रहे नहीं, जरूरत नहीं है, आई डोंट हैव टू ओबे दिस। बहुत बड़े आदमी, यू डोंट हैव टू ओबे दिस। ऑर्डर इज मन मना, बट योर मना इज नॉट ऑन कृष्ण, ऑर्डर योर मना इज ऑन everything else. So first follow this principle. Now the second one gives even better qualification. Shotavyadini Rajendra. Shotavya. What I am hearing at every moment. Ninam Santim Sahasrasaha. General public who have not tasted Krishna consciousness. Because Bhagavad Gita it is said, Vyavasayatmika buddhi. Yes, who can chant this shloka?
व्यवसायात्मिका बुद्धि एकेह कुरु नंदन बहुशाखा ह्यनन्ताश्च बुद्धयो अव्यवसायिनाम्.
Yeah, exactly similar meaning. Because the devotee has one pointed intelligence. Vyavasayatmika buddhi. What is that? एक है, हाँ, एक है, हाँ। एक टाइम में आप एक ही चीज सोच सकते हैं, एक टाइम में आप दो चीज नहीं सोच सकते। हमारा मन ऐसा भगवान ने नहीं बनाया, है ना। अगर आप क्रिकेट स्कोर सुन रहे हैं तो आप कृष्ण के बारे में नहीं सोच सकते, दोनों चीज नहीं होती एक टाइम। एक टाइम में आप क्या सोच सकते हैं? एक चीज, है ना। व्यवसायत्मिका बुद्धि एक कुरुनंदन, एक चीज। बहुशाखाई अनस्तस्या, जिसको बोलते हैं स्कैटर ब्रेन, कभी ये कभी उधर, कभी बंदर की तरह मन कूद रहा है इधर उधर। अभी भक्त बना नहीं है। बिकॉज भक्ति का क्या लक्षण है? व्यवसायत्मिका बुद्धि एक कुरुनंदना बहुशाखाई अनंतस्य। बहुशाखा बहुत है उसके पास। वो कृष्ण का भी नाम सुनता है 30 सेकंड के लिए, और अपना इंद्रिय भोग के बारे में भी सोचता है 10 मिनट के लिए। उसके बाद 30 सेकंड के लिए फिर कृष्ण नाम करता है, फिर आधा घंटा अपना इंद्रिय भोग सोता है। अभी भक्त बना नहीं है, रास्ते में है, बट अभी बनेगा। भक्त नहीं है अभी। व्यवसाय, भक्त मतलब व्यवसाय आत्मिका बुद्धि, माइंड इज फोकस्ड ऑन कृष्ण। बहुशाखा अनंत से बुद्धयो व्यवसाय नाम। सिमिलर श्लोका हियर कम्स श्रोतव्यादिनी राजेंद्र, बिकॉज Shukadeva Goswami is a self-realized soul. ठीक है? And from birth he is traveling, घूम रहा है, मुक्त पुरुष है, कृष्णा का पैरेट है, राधा रानी का पैरेट है. He is not ordinary bhakta. He is such a bhakta that Narad Muni also heard him when he spoke. Ordinary bhakta नहीं है दुनिया का, correct? Not only Narad Muni, all the sages of the universe were hearing when he was speaking. But what was his qualification? Vyavasayatmika buddhi. Mind is fixed on Krishna. He is not only fixed, that is the beginning of spiritual life. He is very, very advanced in spiritual life. And he is saying he is traveling around the world. Nobody asked him any question about Krishna. जैसे मैंगलोर में भी हमको कितने साल हो गए, करीब करीब 2002, 40-44 साल हो गए. हमको भी किसी ने अभी तक कृष्ण के बारे में सोसाइटी में प्रश्न नहीं पूछा. Why? श्रोतव्यादिनि राजेंद्रा निनाम संतिम सहस। लोगों के पास 1000 चीजें सुनने के लिए, हमसे क्यों पूछेंगे, है ना। सीरियल के बारे में बात करेंगे, पॉलिटिक्स के बारे में लोग कभी देखा, आप बैठे थे लोग डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, यार हाउ द भगवत गीता है तो कृष्णा हेडता रहे, कभी नहीं, कभी सुना नहीं, कभी ना क्वेश्चन कभी, ये तो होता ही नहीं है, क्या प्रचार करोगे तुम ऐसे लोगों में, है ना। So Shukdev Goswami is also rotating around, all around the world. Nobody is asking him anything about Krishna. So he's watching. Kappa, 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 kappa. Just, Anna. He's saying they're discussing so many things, but they are not discussing about Krishna. Therefore, you do not hear an instance of Shukdev Goswami giving any katha before. Because nobody asked him. Ab socho, he's roaming around, and then after some time, perhaps this is 2 or 4 years, it is said around 14 or 16 years he was in the womb of the mother. So he has come out. And now, perhaps 2 years, he has not had an opportunity to speak. Because वो बोलना ही नहीं चाहता बाकी चीज के बारे में, वो खाली कृष्ण, किसी को इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं है कृष्ण के बारे में। श्रोतव्याद ने बहुत हजारों चीजें, सहस्र में उसने 1000 काउंट किया, सहस्र मीन्स 1000, हजारों चीजें देखा लोगों डिस्कस कर रहे हैं। Nobody is discussing about Krishna. Therefore it says, Variyameshate Krishna. क्या प्रश्न पूछा, मजा आ गया, क्योंकि बहुत टाइम बाद किसने कृष्ण के बारे में प्रश्न पूछा, है ना। Suppose you go to Krishna and you say, Krishna, I want to advance. Krishna says, अरे so nice, तुम तो ये सच में जिंदगी के तुम्हारे 55-56 साल के बाद पहली बार ही बोले हो ऐसा। Variyam, wonderful, है ना। Out of compassion, Krishna will say, wonderful. ठीक है, wonderful. Paramatma there in your heart. Why don't you pray? Now, I want to become a devotee. It's a Variya, wonderful. क्या प्रश्न पूछा, मजा आ गया. I was waiting to hear this prashna for crores of years from you. How do I become a devotee? है ना, एक प्रश्न पूछो ना, परमात्मा तो है हार्ट में, उसको ही पूछ लो एटलीस्ट. And Paranta what will say, Variyam, क्या प्रश्न, मजा आ गया, ब्यूटिफुल, है ना. अभी तक क्या कर रहे थे, श्रोतव्यादिनी राजेन निनाम संतिम, हजारों चीजें प्रश्न पूछ रहे थे, सुन रहे थे अभी तक, है ना. अपश्यताम आत्म तत्व. Why? Because you were not conscious of what is actually your benefit. हमारा जो असली फायदा है वो हम नहीं देख रहे थे. फायदे की बात है तो एक और श्लोक है ना, नते विदु, who knows the श्लोक, प्रहलाद महाराज, नते विदु स्वार्थ,
नते विदु स्वार्थ गतिम विष्णु,
ठीक है, beautiful. Nate vidu, they do not know. Te means they do not know that real my benefit is to hear about Vishnu. People do not know. Durashayaha, they are hoping against hope. Du asha, asha means it will never be fulfilled. Bahi arthamanina, people are hoping against hope to become happy by sense enjoyment. Andha, they are blind. Yathande upaniyamana, and they are dragged by another blind people. Tepi ishadam tamurudam nibbadha. What is their destination? Tightly bound by the laws of material nature. So, he says that, let us, before coming to shloka, let me finish the sequence. And what is the next shloka? What is the next shloka to this sequence which you are taking second canto, first chapter?
Nindrayariyatu naktam vyavayena chavayavayah diva charthehaya rajan kutumba varanenava.
So Shukdev Goswami is watching this world, and which category we belong to, we all know. Divaarte rajan. In din mein, raat ko to only two things, how to sleep nicely and unfortunately sex sometimes. And what is the daytime? कहाँ से भाई पैसा, कुटुंब भरे नहीं, पैसा 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 पूरा दिन। एंड घर में ले मैं एक कार ले आया, एक बड़ा नया फ्रिज ले आया, मैं ये ले आया, बस माइंड इज ओनली देयर। दीवाचार है राजन कुटुंब भरे ने नवा निद्रया हरियते नक्तम विवाने च वावयाः। ब्यूटिफुल। व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट श्लोक?
देहापत्य कलत्रादि आत्मसैने स्वसत्स्वपि तेषां प्रमत्तो निधनं पश्यन् अपि न पश्यति। Hare Krishna.
Deha. So why is it that people are not having questions? He can understand what's going on in this world. They are thinking, see, where are they meditating on Deha? They are thinking, why they are thinking this? See, we are all in danger. But they are thinking this body will protect me. Deha, I am healthy now. I am healthy now. Deha patra, kalatra, my wife will protect me. My relatives will protect me. Yedhana yauvana. Yes, sing this. अरे क्या हुआ? Very beautiful. ठीक है, ये धन यौवन पुत्र परिजन, we are thinking these are my protection. We are in danger, we all know that. मरने वाले हैं एक दिन, सबको डर है. But what we are thinking, my money will protect me, my youth will protect me, my relatives will protect me. We are thinking like that. ये धन यौवन पुत्र परिजन एते के आचे पद. What kind of protection they are? Kamala dala jala jivana talamala. Just like the water on a lotus leaf, any time will fall. This life will end any time, any moment. We see so many examples. You meet somebody, next day, they call, you have to come for funeral. If 2 days ago you are sitting and talking to him, it's all over. But we think no. So now he thinks these things are some kind of a protection. Deha patra kalatra adishu atmaseneshu asassu api teseva nidhanameva pashyanapi na pashyati. And then after that, what is the final shloka?
तस्मात् भारतस्य
सर्वात्मा भगवान् हरिरीश्वरः श्रोतव्यः कीर्तितव्यश्च स्मार्तव्यश्च नित्यशः। हरे कृष्ण प्रभुजी।
तो श्रोतव्यादिनी राजेंद्र is saying, my dear king, no, ये तो हो गया, हाँ, ठीक है. तस्मात् भारत सर्वात्मा, therefore, my dear king, Bharata coming in the great dynasty, Bhagavan Ishvaro Hari. He said, think about this person. Bhagavan Ishvara Hari, that is Krishna. Shrotavya, keep hearing about him. Kirtatavya, keep talking about him. Smartavya, keep thinking about him. Ichatam Abhayam. If you want to be fearless, see, all of us are fearful, let us be honest. If you want to be fearless in the material existence, continuously hear about the Lord, continuously think about the Lord, continuously talk about the Lord. That's what he gave the solution. So now we have, and the symptom of a devotee is that he becomes fixed up. We do not find a symptom, sahasrashaha. We don't find a devotee as scatterbrain. Devotee means fixed up. His mind, because devotion energy has touched his heart, which gives him an experience much higher than experience of this world, his mind becomes fixed in Krishna's devotion service. That is the symptom of a devotee. You can test yourself. If you cannot, you can tell, chalo baith ke jap karo, Hare Krishna, Hare. If he can sit down and attentively chant the holy name of the Lord, bhakt ban gaya. But if he cannot, अभी नहीं बना है, अभी बीमार है. बनेगा, he is kanishta, but अभी fixed up नहीं हुआ है. Fixed up means he's peacefully. Can you tell him read? Yes, he can read for hours with great pleasure. But he's scatterbrain here, there, अभी नहीं बना. Why? So many problems are there. Because of that, the unfortunate condition he is having. So therefore, it says, very beautiful shloka comes in the purport here, Harav abhaktas kuto mahadguna yasyas bhakti bhagavati akinchana. Yes, who knows the shloka?
यस्यास्ति भक्तिर्भगवती अकिञ्चना सर्वैर्गुणैस्तत्र समासते सुरा हरावभक्तस्य कुतो महद्गुणा मनोरथेन सति तावतो बहिः.
Yeah. Yasyasta bhakti bhagavati akinchana. Somebody has developed devotion to Krishna, and somebody has become a devotee of Krishna. Sarvai gunai tatra samasate. All the beautiful qualities manifest. Prabhupada keeps quoting that. When he sees Prithu Maharaj is receiving the four Kumaras great respect, he says, look what qualities this person has. Look at him. All the qualities will manifest when you become a great devotee. Yasyasta bhakti, without any separate endeavor. But then you should be cautious whether the qualities are coming or not. Sarvai gunai tatra samasate sura. All, just like you go near the sun, you will also become hot like the sun. So when you're becoming a devotee of Krishna, automatically we don't have to worry all the qualities that manifest, but nothing wrong, keep checking whether they're manifesting or not. These qualities can be at this moment as the sadhana. Sarvai gunai tatra samasate. Chalega, bas, close. Sarvai gunai tatra samasate sura. Harav abhaktasya. Who is not a devotee of the Lord, harav abhaktasya kuto mahadguna. Kuto mahadguna means what qualities he can have, abhakta. Manorathe nasati dhavato bahi. He will be blowing in the metal energy. The mind will be blowing. He cannot fix his mind on Krishna's lotus. Manorathe nasati dhavato bahi. The mind will just be blowing. Okay? There is one more shloka. Prajahati yada kaman. Who knows the shloka?
Prajahati yada kaman sarvan partha manogatan atmanyevatmanas sushtas tato sitaprajnas tatochyate.
Yeah, beautiful. The Prajahati yada kaman. The person who is devotee, he gives up all the varieties of plans of enjoyment. Sarva partha manogata. The mind is blown up for a non-devotee. For a devotee, he knows all the enjoyments are hallucinations of the mind. Just watch this line by Srila Prabhupada. Therefore, my request is read Srila Prabhupada books many, many times. Carefully you read. Okay? Now you see, Prabhupada quote the shloka which you said, and now he said this is because he is hovering on the mental plane and is certain to be attracted by glaring material energy. What is that? Attracted by glaring metal energy. So if we are attracted by the glaring metal energy, we are not become a devotee. Devotee means no. He is attracted by Mahatmanastu mam partha.
Mahatmanastu mam partha daivim prakritim ashrita bhajanti ananya manaso jnatva bhutadim avyayam.
Okay, so a devotee means now he is under the control of the bliss, happiness of Krishna consciousness. Daivim prakritim ashrita. He is controlled by the internal energy of the Lord. Okay? So when you are not controlled by the internal energy, then what happens? The glaring, that's the symptom of fall down. When you fall down, how do you know? Fall down का ये मतलब थोड़ी है कि आप उठ नहीं पाते हैं बिस्तर में लेटर. Fall down means mental energy starts looking very attractive. That's it. And attraction to Krishna doesn't manifest in the heart. That is a symptom of, we are all fallen down. Reason I have fallen? Because why I have fallen? Because metal energy looks very, very attractive. Glaring metal energy. And therefore, the process of Krishna consciousness goes on. We keep praying to Krishna. One day we become a devotee. That's why Narad Muni, great devotee Narad Muni, is talking to Prachina Parishat, who's attracted to material comforts. He's thinking if he does a lot of punya, He will enjoy in the heaven with great comfort. And Narad Muni, great devotee, that is not his focus. His focus is not comforts of this world, his focus is Krishna. He cannot live a moment without Krishna. That is his comfort. So he's talking to Prachina Parishad, instructing him to give up this plan for doing yagnas, to be more comfortable in this world, rather focus to become a pure devotee and go back to Krishna. Okay? So that is the shloka. He's saying all good fortune unto you. Devotee means always well-wishing for everybody. The mind is the cause of living in यार ये कोई है Hey, who is calling me on mobile? Please, can you switch it off?
We were cut off, Prabhuji, for some time.
क्या हुआ? व्हाट्सएप कॉल बंद नहीं हो रहा? वह बड़ा हाँ? Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. You can hear me?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes, Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhuji. We can hear you.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna. Okay. Okay, sorry, there was an interruption. So now we'll just get DT Darshan.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Little hanging here. Because
Ram Ram.
Hare Krishna, Krishna
Hare Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Krishna
Hare
Hare
Hare.
Hare Rama,
Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Krishna,
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Krishna Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Hare.
Hare.
Hare Rama,
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
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 Hare
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Hare.
Krishna,
Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare